Hey guys, so I'm just gonna make a quick little video showing you how to get your brake drum on after you've put new brake shoes on, because I fought this one for like almost 2 hours and it was a simple little thing. So there's a few things that it could be. The first thing is that when you put your new shoes on there and you got it all on there, they're not centered properly. So if it's not centered properly, it won't slide on, obviously. The other thing is that your parking brake cable, since let's say you adjusted it over the years as your brake pads go down, it's going to have tension on it and it's going to keep your brake shoes out. So make sure that your parking brake arm, and this is a Dodge 1 ton, so it's going to be different whatever you have, but make sure the parking brake is completely off and there's no tension on that line. And the last thing that it could be is what it was for me was the adjuster wheel there. Now I got a new one here, and if you look at it on like yours, you'll see that there's a threaded piece that threads into the star wheel there, and as you turn the star wheel, it pushes it either out or in. Now first of all, you want to make sure when you're putting your new ones on that it's all the way in, so that there is no slack and that your brake shoes are as far in as they can go. But on mine, the new one was actually just like a 1/16 of an inch too long. Even though I screwed it all the way in, it was still a 1/16 of an inch too long. So I actually pulled it out and just used my hacksaw and really carefully cut off a 1/16 of an inch off the end of the threads, because it's about 3 inches of threads there. And once you put it all back on, you're gonna be putting it back out anyways. So if you're having problems fitting it on, that's probably what it is. It's probably has something to do with the star wheel there. So when you're doing that, make sure that you have it all the way in, and if you have it all the way in and it still doesn't fit, make sure that there is no gap right here, because there was about a 1/16 of an inch gap between this piece and this piece. So I just took that 1/16 out. Fits perfect. Hopefully that helps. Have a great day.